That's crazy. And this is way worse.
Yeah.
Yeah. 7:29. Let's get Tomas Manglona on the phone here from the CNMI. He is on Saipan reporting on the latest with COVID-19. Good morning, Tomas.
Good morning, Chris and Bree.
Hi.
Jason, how's it going?
So what's going on over there? We haven't heard a whole lot in terms of like results or anything. Are they just is the Guam lab not running tests for you guys?
Yeah, and so we got some new information
Okay.
yesterday from the CNMI Governor's Office and the COVID-19 Task Force. And so according to Press Secretary Kevin Bautista, we received 3 results over the last few days, all of which were negative. There's a delay in getting results, he says, because the Guam is backed up with a lot of tests. Now, this isn't clear if there are more people under investigation or any pending specimen other than the 9 we initially heard of last week. The governor's office also told me that they're going to start sending specimen or continue sending specimen to Hawaii to expedite the results. The timeline for on-island testing still stands with us. Still stands with the hospital and the task force having capacity by late April or early May. They also launched a new hotline yesterday that I wanted to share for folks. You can call to get general information and non-medical inquiries about the CNMI COVID-19 response from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Monday to Sunday, and that number is 670-287-0046. And again, that's for general info and non-medical inquiries. Chris and Bray might as well call that number too to get some updates. We haven't had a press conference since that last Monday.
What was that number again?
The number is 670-287-0046. General information and non-medical inquiries about the COVID-19 response. We're hoping for them to start the daily press briefing soon. I know they were working out some kinks with Zoom.
They should network with Adaloop and they do a little tutorial.
We're hoping to hear from them soon, and I think I think you both also got the press release about the 118 individual travelers being released from the COVID-19 quarantine facility this week on Saipan. So that's another big news making here in the CNMI.
They're the ones that were in Kanoa Resort?
I believe Kanoa Resort and a few of them were transferred to the Pacific Islands Club. Similar to Guam, we're still unclear about where everyone's exactly at. We do know that no home isolations are happening, but other than that, that's the latest we have. And again, we really hope to have the daily press briefing soon to ask all the questions that we need to. Hopefully, more than 2 questions.
Tommaso, are they just basically saying that, hey, we're busy, trying to establish the front line, how we're going to deal with COVID-19 and we'll get to the press conference later, or is it just, wall?
I think, it's a busy time. Everyone's busy. But I think a lot of folks do want to hear from the task force, and we're hoping to get that set up. Every day I've asked, is there a press conference today? I know even, Adriana has asked, and so we're hoping that when, that happens. And it's not just questions for us. Again, it's for the public. So we want to know more.
Right.
All right, Tomas.
Good job. Anything there in closing, Tomas?
Not much other than, got to reiterate the support to the frontliners, even here on Saipan, Tinian, Rhoda, all who are keeping our community safe. And it seems like we're going to be in this for a while now. So hoping everyone stays as positive as can be and stays well and stays home.
I did, I just remembered that during the press conference yesterday, Public Health Director Linda Pingo DeNorsi, a question was asked about the Iglesia and Christa Church, and she basically confirmed that there was some sort of a connection between the positive patients, I think it was the first 2 positive patients in the CNMI, to this church.
Yeah, and I did mention yesterday, I did talk to one of the members of the faith-based organization about a week ago, and they mentioned that they were being screened. I'm not sure if any tests were done with them, but I do know that a member of the faith-based organization, members of those organizations were tested, and this one person was there at that service.
Okay.
And so, we're waiting to hear more from that. It's interesting to get news from Guam about what's happening on island, because I honestly watch the Guam briefings to find out what's happening here.
Right,
so Thanks for asking those questions for us too, Chris.
Of course.
We should probably see if you can get in on those briefings if you have time. I know you're studying too, so.
Yeah.
But thank you, Tomas, for your time and covering what's happening over there. And I know that you were trying to secure an interview with the mayor of Rhoda, so we're looking forward to that.
Hopefully also some local doctors here who can speak to the exact situation in the CNMI and what precautions people can take in Saipan and Rhoda and Tinian.
Okay. Thanks a lot. You take care. Be safe.
Thank you. You too.
Okay. Bye. And that was Tomas Manglona. Hey, Chris, can you